Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's January 29th, almost wrapping up the end of this month. Very quiet day once again for grains. Light volume. We've seen this now for the last few days, but once again, light volume again today. Corn finishing slightly higher, up about 1/4 cent. Beans up 4, wheat down 2 1/4, giving up some of those gains here that we had seen earlier in the day. But as I mentioned, we've gotten this lighter volume trade. It's almost like the market's waiting for us to find something new. Let's find a story out here that's either bullish or bearish. Right now, you've gotten this very sloppy back and forth because it's just there's nothing new. We got the weather out of South America right now. It seems like in the mornings they've taken some rain out, they put it back in later on during the midday. But really, we're going to have to see as we get into next week what kind of rain totals are we looking at. So the South America issue and weather right now has become a little stale. Not to say it can't pick up again, but right now it is. It's stale. We've talked about it quite a bit, and we're beating a dead horse with that. Now, corn went up and tested some resistant levels. 735 for March corn. Is a strong resistance level. It's right near this downtrend that comes in, the 100-day moving average as well, and that 735 last week's high. So we've got this resistance at that point. We failed to kind of get above that today. So we'll see what the next few days have. I kind of feel we could see a little profit taken in corn, maybe for beans as well, and maybe see this downside support areas tested here yet this week. The dollar today down about 26 cents. We got crude oil up $1. So another dollar higher for crude, continuing its trek to that $100 level. We're at 97.40 right now for crude oil, looking very strong. And those charts certainly look good as well. As far as cattle, down about 50 cents today for fats, 128.40. No cash trades as of yet. Still expecting maybe to see a little higher cash, a little better trade this week, mostly due to stronger or bullish cattle on feed last week, and this story out of Japan that we've been talking about here over the last few days, really helping support the cattle. Today's pullback, this 50-cent decline, mostly profit taking. So we've got a gap in the chart that we do need to go down to try to fill yet. But we've got a little ways to get there as well. So I'm expecting maybe we get a little more profit taking here over the next few days until we see what cash looks like. As far as the hogs, unchanged today, 87.15. Strong cash over the last several days. Looks like that's going to remain. We tend to see this cash market strengthen up as we go through this month and really getting into April. So should see this. This trend continue. Now, we are taking a little bit of a pause in here. Got some choppy markets the last few days, but the futures right now are trading underneath the cash. So cash is king. Continue watching that. If it's going to strengthen, we should see futures do the exact same thing. So the weather, extremely warm today. It's unseasonally warm here for the Chicagoland area. We're sitting closer to 60 degrees today and raining. A lot of this moisture has moved through. They're calling for a few inches of rain for us over the next 24 hours as well. But that idea, may end up, as I mentioned, for grains, might see a little profit taking here as these storms move through the Corn Belt. So continue watching our weather locally, or our weather through the Corn Belt, but also South America's weather as well as we get through this week. So hope you guys had a great day today. Give us a call at 800-262-7538. Or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you had a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.